Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, just go to the search bar and type here device manager and then click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to find out these sounds, video and game controllers. So here it is. Just expand this by clicking on this icon, then right click on the particular devices, select properties and go to the drivers tab and make sure you have to select the update drivers. If you are connected with your internet connection, then select the first option. If not, then you can select the browse my computer for drivers. I'll select the first one, then the best drivers will be installed. If you select the second one, you will get this option. So select the let me pick from the list of available drivers and then select the model and click on next. Select S and the drivers will be installed. Now close this window. If does not work anything, you can just uninstall the device, connect internet connection and just restart the system. So that's it guys. Now you have to go for the audio inputs and outputs. Just expand this. First of all, we will update the drivers for microphone and then we will update the drivers for speakers. So right click on it. Firstly, right click on the microphone devices, go to properties, select drivers, select update drivers. Here you can also select the preferable option. So select the first one and after that go for the speakers device. And now if does not work, you can just uninstall device and then restart the system. So that's it guys. You can also check out the pin command to fix this issue quickly and then restart the system. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.